Good afternoon from Burton Waters Boat Sales, and today I'm going to be showing you around this 2022 model Jeanneau Merry Fisher 795 Series 2. Now this is one of the most popular models which we sell, and I'll come on to the reasons why shortly. This one in particular is equipped with an excellent specification, featuring things such as a bow and stern thruster, Webasto diesel heating, canopy enclosure, trim level pack, Garmin plotters, etc. But the 795 is a great boat because it gets you onto the water, especially if you're a first time boater, and this one is one of our stock boats, so it's gone through our workshops prior to us listing it. And it's also just been reduced from 79,950 down to 76,950. So we'll head on inside and take a look. So starting things off on the aft here, you've got the synthetic teak on the bathing platforms. You've got a storage locker there on the port side, perfect for any fenders, lines, etc. Now this boat is powered by a Yamaha 200 horsepower outboard, just been serviced, so it's ready to go. You've got a swim ladder here with a grab rail, so if you're using on the coast, perfect for offshore use. And you've also got a small transom shower there. Fuel filler just on the aft, nicely located so you don't have to bring it into the cockpit itself, so you don't get all those smells. Now let's head inside. As you can tell, we have got the full cockpit enclosure in here. So one of the great features with the outboard boats is your reduced maintenance costs. So you've only got one unit to service, and with it being an outboard, you can raise it from at the helm or directly on the outboard to reduce any growth. You simply pull forward this chair or seat, and then you can raise the outboard, just like I say, to reduce any growth, corrosion on the outboard itself. Plenty of seating here. You've also got the table alongside a very good sized lazarette, which you gain from not having your engines down there, and another storage locker down here for any fenders, lines again. Your gas is located in this locker here, and then you've got your water tank there. And one of the great features on the Merry Fishers is you get this side access gate. So if you're using any inland waterways and you're using any locks, or you want to get off the pontoon, then that's great to do so. And you've also got plenty of grab rails located around the boat. And with the Merry Fishers, they slightly offset one of the sides, so you've got a really good access around the boat. Right, let's head on inside the boat now, and we'll start things off with the galley. Fairly simplistic, but it does everything you need. You've got a single gas burner hob there, so you can still have your cup of tea. You've got your Webasto diesel heating unit just there. You've got a sink with hot and cold water. Plenty of storage below. You've got your fuel gauge and your water tank gauge just there. Fridge just below the seat, and you've got a decent amount of seating here, perfect for 2 or 4 guests on board. The table can fold out, so if you are dining, then that extends like so. You can enclose the area at night. If you did want to convert this into an additional berth, then you can make it nice and dark in here. So ideal for a couple, or if you want to squeeze 4 in here, you can do so. Coming on to the helm station now, very well laid out. You've got a bow and stern thruster, so like I said earlier, it makes manoeuvring very easy, especially if you're a first time boater. This one's a great boat to start with. Throttle falls nicely to hand. You've got a Garmin plotter along with a Garmin 215 VHF. You've got your Fusion sound system here, and then you've got your Yamaha display for your engine data. This one's covered just over 335 hours, and like I previously mentioned, it's just been serviced. It's also been polished and anti-fouled, so it's ready to go. So I'll take you down below now, and as you can see, you've got a very decent size double berth down below. We're currently storing the front sun pad cushions along with some additional cushions below, but you've got the infill section for here, so you can make it slightly larger but when you want to access the toilet, or you want to just access it to stow away things, then you can remove the infill and just make it a bit easier to get down below. Now coming onto the heads now, you've got a manual Jabsco toilet in there with a pull-out shower head, but overall it's a very decent size, not too compromised, and perfect for weekends away, this boat is. So on the port side, your seating area can also face forward to act as a co-pilot bench, so you can have multiple people facing forward when you're underway, so a very nice feature. The Merry Fishers also benefit from having lots of natural light. You've got plenty of ventilation both above head, either side, so you've got opening windows, and like I say, you've got that large opening hatch. Very simple, so you haven't got to worry about any mechanisms going wrong. So we'll round up this video here. This boat is priced at $76,950. It's just been reduced from $79,950. It's one of our stock boats. It's gone through our workshops prior to us listing it, so it's ready to go for the season. We can arrange transport throughout the UK, and we can arrange for finance options. So please get in touch if you'd like any more information, and we'll leave the listing below.